Welcome back. Ever wondered how websites like YouTube, Netflix, or Amazon deliver their content so quickly, no matter where you are? The secret lies in the Content Delivery Network, or CDNs. But did you know there are two types of CDNs? There are public CDNs and private CDNs, and each comes with its own set of strength. So let's take an example. Let's assume that we have a client and pretty easy system, and the client will send request to our server, for example, to see some videos, and the server will fetch those videos or link from those videos to a blob storage from a blob storage. And I guess everything looks fine, and we wanted to make the process quite faster, so we add a CDN. And the CDN, let's make it quite bigger. And the CDN will basically capture the frequently accessed assets like videos, images, and stuff to a location closer to the client, which will improve the performance of the application, also will reduce the latency. But as we said, we have two types of CDNs. We have a private, and public. And we need to know which one to use. Let's start first by what is a public CDN. A public CDN is a third-party service that allows businesses to deliver their content using a pre-existing global network of servers. Public CDNs are great for businesses that want quick and easy deployment, don't want to manage their own infrastructure, and need scalability without upfront costs. For example, startups and small businesses often use public CDNs like Akami or Cloudflare to handle traffic spikes effortlessly. Okay, what is the private? The private CDNs, on the other hand, is a built and owned by a specific company. So it will be built and owned by yours, okay? It's designed to handle their content exclusively. Private CDNs are ideal for businesses that handle enormous amount of traffic, like think YouTube or Netflix, want complete control over infrastructure and data, can justify the high upfront cost of building and managing the network. So, okay, we right now know what is a private and public CDNs. Right now, we need to understand what is the pros and cons of each one. So, let's talk about the public first. The pros of it, it's a quick setup, low cost, and high scalability. The problem with public APIs, it has a limited control, shared infrastructure, and potentially higher recurring costs for heavy traffic. For the private, the pros of it that you have a full control, optimized performance for specific needs, and cost efficient and at scale. The problem with the private CDN, it's a highly initial investment, ongoing maintenance, and not ideal for smaller businesses. So let's try to answer the question, which is when to use public and when to use private. I would say choose a public CDN if you are a small to medium business and you have unpredictable traffic or need a quick setup. By default, you go with public CDN. You can use a private CDN if you are a large enterprise with consistent heavy traffic and want full control over your content delivery. Okay. I would say, yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. We wanted to make this video as easy as possible and as short as possible. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content, and see you guys in future videos.